Hello everyone, welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to import products from Shein to Shopify. Now, before we get started, if you want to use this Shopify store and if you want to get a 3-month free trial, you can get a 3-month free trial with our link down below in the description. So let's get started with the video. So first of all, as you can see, in order to import products from Shein, you need to go and you need to install Importify app. Now, how can you do that? On your Shopify app store, make sure to go and install the Importify app, which is a very easy app to install. It has 4.7 rating. It's one of the best apps for this particular reason. Now, what you want to do is click install. Make sure you have this app in your Shopify store. Now, that's the first step. The second step is to install the Chrome extension, which is a product importer. Just like Oberlo was, before a product importer from AliExpress, that is the same with Importify right here. This way, you will be able to import any product from Shein website to your Shopify store. Now, once you have those two apps installed, make sure you're using the Chrome browser and make sure you're using this extension as I showed you. You need to visit the Shein website. Now, once you visit the Shein website, you need to find a product you would like to import and then visit the products page. Once you visit the products page, you can click the add button on the top left of your browser. It will be right here or in some corner right here or here. So that's pretty much how you can go and import. And once you import a product, you can edit the product information such as title, description, price, and stuff like that. You can scroll down and click add product to import the item to your store, and that's pretty much it. It's very simple, but you need to have those two products or those two apps, sorry, in order to go and in order to import your products from Shein to Shopify. Now, that's pretty much how to import products from Shein to Shopify. Again, if you want to get a 3-month free trial on your Shopify store, you can get one by clicking the first link down below in the description. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.